How to delete Instagram account. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account that you would like to delete. Once on your home page, navigate to bottom right corner. There you'll find your profile icon, tap on it. Under your profile, now again, if you navigate to your top right corner, there you'll find the hamburger icon, tap on it. That will take you to your settings and activity page. Here, tap on the first section or option that says Account Center, tap on it. Now once you land on Account Center page, scroll down a bit and under Account Setting, tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on the last option that is Account Ownership and Control. Now, choose the second option that is Deactivation or Deletion and then select your Instagram account. Now you have to choose the second option that says Delete Account and then tap on Continue. Now you have to provide the reason why you're deleting your account. Select your reason and then tap on Continue. Make sure to read this information. Once it's done, tap on Continue. Now for the security, it will ask you to re-enter your password to continue. Once you enter your Instagram password, you have to confirm once again, and after that, your account will be deleted. So that's the way to delete Instagram account, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.